Okay, next question in area and perimeter. Say, find the area of each of the following parallelogram. You have to find area of the given parallelogram. So if you observe, the first figure is like this. Base is 7 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. Clear? So in this given parallelogram, base is given and height is given. So you have to find area. So what is the area of the given parallelogram? So what is parallelogram? You know parallelogram shape. So this is the shape of parallelogram. Means in this parallelogram, see, if you observe, opposite sides are equal and parallel, isn't it? So this side and this sides are equal, and this side and this side is equal. So opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and they are parallel also. Okay. So that is called what? It's a parallelogram. Okay. Now we'll see how to find the area of the given parallelogram. To find the area of parallelogram, you must know one base and another one height. So if you know base and height, then you can find the area of the parallelogram. See children, here the formula is area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Okay, base into height. So base is 7 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. So we can multiply these two. 7 4s are 28 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Clear? So this is the area of the parallelogram, first parallelogram. Clear? Understood? The area is a area of parallelogram formula is base into height. So A is equal to B into H. B is this is a base of a parallelogram and height, this is a altitude or height of a parallelogram. So if you multiply height into base, we will get 28 centimeter square. So similarly, the second question, see if you observe, this is a parallelogram and in this base is given and height is given. So just you have to find area. So area is equal to base into height. So now base is your, which is a base, this is base 2.5 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. Height is a 3 centimeter. So we can multiply 2.5 into 3. So if I multiply 3 5s are 15, 1 remaining, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7.5 centimeters square. So this is area of second parallelogram. Clear? Now third one, if you observe, see this is also same type and now you can understand which is a base and which is a height. So easily we can find the area of a parallelogram. Clear? So okay, we'll find now third question. A is equal to B into H. So base is here 2.5 centimeter into height is 3.5 centimeter. Height is 3.5 centimeter. So if we multiply this, we'll get, so actually this is 25 into 35, means 2.5 into 3.5. If I multiply, so I'll get 5 5s are 25, 2 remaining, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Okay. So now 3 5s are 15, 1 remaining. Okay, already here 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So 5 7 8. Is it correct? 5 7 8. So after decimal point 1 digit, here also after decimal point 1 digit, total 2 digits. So you leave 2 digits and put decimal point. So that is 8.75 centimeter square. Centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square. Understood? So multiply and see 8.75. I got 8.75 centimeters square. So this is the area of a third parallelogram. So this is a third parallelogram. Okay. Okay, we can solve fourth one and fifth one now. So in this, if you observe the figure, fifth one and fourth one, in this the parallelogram is given like this. In this you have to consider this as the base. Base of the parallelogram is 2 centimeter and height of the parallelogram is 4.8 centimeter. Clear? So actually the height is not given like this, it is given cross. So you have to consider this is the height. height of the parallelogram. Okay, so base is a 2 centimeter. So how to find A is equal to B into H? A is equal to B into H. So base is 2 centimeter and height is 4.8 centimeter. So if I multiply this, 2 8s are 16, 1 remaining, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. So after decimal point 1 digit, so you can leave 1 digit and put decimal point. So that answer is 9.6 centimeter into centimeter, that is a centimeter square. So 9.6 centimeter square. So now E, last figure also same type. This is you can take it as homework. I'm not going to solve last one. Same, height is here 4.4 and base is 2 centimeter. So write the formula and substitute the values. B is 2 centimeter, height is 4.4. This is the height. Okay, perpendicular line is given. So that is what height of the given parallelogram. Clear? So if you multiply, you will get area of the parallelogram. Okay, the next question in exercise sums, say first one, second one in that, find the area of each of the following triangles. So first one, that is finding area of parallelogram. So this is what finding area of triangles. So here the figures are given triangle shapes. So in this they given base and this is the height. Okay, height of the triangle, base and height is given. So now you have to find area of the triangle. So what is the formula to find area of triangle? Area of triangle, A is equal to half into base into height. Okay, half into base into height. So this is a formula to find area of the triangle. Okay, so in previous question, the first question it is given, find the area of parallelogram. That formula is A is equal to base into height. So here we are going to find area of triangle. So that is half into base into height. So now half into base, which is a base, base is 4 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. Base is 4 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. So we can substitute in place of B 4 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter. So this is a formula to find area of a triangle. So must by heart all these formulas. So A is equal to half to base into height. Clear? Base. So now you can simplify. 2 is in the denominator and 4 is in the numerator. So we can cancel this. 4 to 1s are 2 2s are. We can simplify. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what is remaining? 2 centimeter into 3 centimeter. 2 3s are 6 centimeter into centimeter, that is a centimeter square. Clear? So therefore the area of first triangle, that is 6 centimeter square. Clear? Okay, now second one also you have to find area of this given triangle, but in this base is here, base is 5 centimeter. You have to consider this is the base of a triangle. Triangle is given like this, isn't it? So 5 centimeter is a base and 3.2 centimeter is the height of the triangle. Clear? Okay, now B. Second one, the formula we have to use A is equal to half into base into height. So now if you observe here, half is in the formula, right, as it is half, and base, I said base is here 5 centimeter, base is 5 centimeter and height is 3.2 centimeter, 3.2 centimeter. So now we have to simplify this. So divide 2 1s are, 2 will not divide 5, isn't it? So 2 divides 3.2. So we can divide 3.2. So 2 1s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and 1 remaining here. So 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. So the answer is 5 into 1.6, 5 into 1.6, that is 5 6 are 30, 3 remaining. Is it correct? 5 6 are 30, 3 remaining, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So 8.0 centimeter square. So 8.0 centimeter square means that is 8 centimeter square. Clear? After decimal point there is 0, you can neglect that. So that will consider like 8 centimeter square. So this is the second triangle area of second triangle. And now third figure, if you observe third triangle, see like this it is given. So this is what? Right angle triangle. For right angle triangle also we'll use same formula. See, half into base into height. Okay, I'll write your answer. A is equal to half into base into height. Half into base is 3 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. Okay, base is 3 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. So you can simplify this. See, 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. Correct? So now multiply these two. 3 2s are 6. 6 centimeter into centimeter square. Understood? So third figure triangle area is 6 centimeter square. Now last one, D. The figure is like this. It is given, height is given here outside. Actually the triangle is like this, like it looks like obtuse angle triangle. So in this triangle the height is given this and base is 3 centimeter. So A is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. So half into base is 3 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. Base is 3 centimeter, height is 2 centimeter. So you can simplify. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So what is remaining? 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 1, 3. Centimeter into centimeter square. So A is equal to 3 centimeter square. That is the area of triangle, given triangles. Yeah. Okay. The next question, that is third one. See, find the missing values. You have to find the missing values of the third one. So first question is like this: base, height and area of parallelogram. So 3 columns are given. So serial number, base, height and area of parallelogram. See children, in this first one, first question A, in this base is given, height is not given and area of parallelogram is given. So area is given, base is given, but height is not given. So what we have to do? So we have to find the height of the parallelogram. So first question A, in this base is given, B is given and area of parallelogram, area is given. Okay. So now you know the formula, area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So substitute here. To find base, you have to substitute in the formula, then you have to simplify, then you will get the answer. Okay. So we know what is area of parallelogram, that is 246 centimeters square is equal to base, we don't know, it is not given, and height is given. So what is the height? Base is given, height is not given. Okay. See the question. In this base is 20 centimeter. So write 20 centimeter is a base and height is not given. So write h as it is. So h will remain in the same place. See this 20 into h, 20 is multiplied to h, so it will divide the right hand side. Means it is the left hand side. So 246 centimeter square divided by 20 centimeter. Clear? 246 divided by 20 centimeter. So now h we want to find. So divide this 20, how much are 246. So 20 divides, right? Okay, we'll divide. 20 ones are 20, 20 here also 20 ones are 20, 4 remaining, 46 20 twos are 40, 22s are 40, 6 remaining. So 20 will not divide 6, so you have to take decimal point. So if you put decimal point, so this will become 60. Okay. So now 20, how much is 60? 23 is 60. So answer 12.3 centimeter. Centimeter and centimeter cancel. So what is remaining? Height is height of the parallelogram is 12.3 centimeter. So this is the first one, A. Understood now? Okay, now second one, say second column, that is B. Base is not given here. You have to find the base and height is given 15 centimeter and area of parallelogram 154.5 centimeter square. Okay, we'll find second one, that is A is equal to base into height. In this B is question mark, we don't know what is the base. Then area is given 154.5 centimeter square is equal to base into height is given, that is 15 centimeter. So substitute here in place of height, right? 15 centimeter. Height is given. Base is not given. So B write as it is. Okay. Now you have to find B. So B will remain in the same place. So now 154.5 centimeter square divided by 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. So here centimeter and centimeter cancel. So what is remaining now? The remaining values are like this. If you want, you can divide it directly. 15, how much? 154.5. Okay, we'll divide. See, you can divide by long division method also, like 15, how much? 154.5, or else you can divide directly. Okay, we'll do direct method. Okay, now you can understand this, or else you can do long division method also. 15 ones are 15, 15, how much? 15, 15 ones are 15. So now what is remaining here? 4. Is it 15 divides 4? No. So you have to take a 0. So now this will become 40. And say a decimal point is there, right? Decimal pointer. So then that will become 45. 15, how much? 45. 15 3s are 15 3s are 45, isn't it? So therefore the answer, the base of the parallelogram is 10.3 centimeter. Clear? 10.3 centimeter, that is the base of the parallelogram. Base of the parallelogram. Okay, the next question in area and perimeter. See, this is the fourth question. Find the missing values of the given table. So first one, first column, it is given base, height, and last column area of triangle. Okay, area of a triangle. So base is 15 centimeter, height is not given, and area of triangle is 87. Okay, first base is given, height is question mark. We don't know what is the height of the triangle, and area of triangle it is given 87 centimeter square. So here we must use the formula. So which formula we can use to find the area of a triangle? So we can use the formula A is equal to, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So half into base into height. Half into base we know 15 centimeter and height we don't know. Height is not given. So write h as it is. And it is given, area of triangle is given 87 centimeter square. 87 centimeter square, that is the area of a triangle. Okay, now if I multiply to 87 into 2, 87 centimeter square, you can write into 2 is equal to, this is multiplied to another side. What is remaining here? 15 centimeter into h, height. Okay, so now we want to find height h. So h will remain in the same place. So this 15 is multiplied. 15 is multiplied to h. So it will divide the another side. So 87 centimeter square into 2 divided by 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. So now say we want to find h. So h is equal to 87 into 2. How much? You multiply your 2 sevens are 14. So 1 remaining. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. So 174 centimeter square divided by 15 centimeter. So in this centimeter and centimeter, 1 centimeter get cancelled. So what is remaining here? 174 divided by 15. So we know that 15 divides 174 or not. We'll say 15 ones are 15. 15 how much is 17? 15 ones are 15. So here 2 remaining in 17. So this will become 24. And again 15 how much are 24? 15 ones are 15. Why? Because 15 twos are 30. Cannot. So 15 ones are 15. So how much remaining? Decimal point remaining 9. So 15 will not divide 9. So that will become, if you take decimal point, that 9. Again extra 1 0 can take, that will become 90. So 15 how much are 90? 15 6 are 90. So therefore height of the triangle is 11.6 centimeter. So this is the answer to first question. Clear? Just you have to fill the missing values. So here height is not given, then base is given, area of triangle, area is given. So in place of area you would write 87 centimeter square and base B, that is 15 centimeter. Half is there in the formula. So this formula is very important. A is equal to half into base into height. Okay, half into B into H. So now H is not given, so write H as it is. So it is multiplied, so it will divide another side. Clear? Multiply, then simplify, we will get H value is 11.6 centimeter. Okay. Now second one will solve, that is, this is A and B and C. Second question. In this, base is not given. We don't know what is the B. B is question mark and height is given. Height is 31.4 millimeter and area is given. Area is 1256 millimeter square. So area is given, height is given, but you have to find base. So same formula we can use. This is the triangle. So we are finding values of the missing values of a triangle. Clear? Understood? So means base is given, base is not given, height is given, area is given. So we can use this formula, half into base into height. So in this, area is given 125 millimeter square. 1256. Correct? 1256 millimeter square is equal to half into base is we don't know what is the base. Base is not given, so B will remain as it is. H is given 31.4 millimeter. 31.4 millimeter, that is what? Height of the triangle. So now if you multiply, I'll get 1256 millimeter square into 2. This is divided, no? So it will multiply another side. Clear? So now what is remaining? B into 31.4 millimeter. So we want to find the value of B. So B will remain in the same place. And here 31.4 is multiplied to B. So now you want to find B, right? So this will divide another side. So 1256 millimeter square into 2 divided by 31.4 millimeter. So here 1 millimeter and millimeter cancel. So what is remaining? B is equal to. Okay. Now we will find the value of B. Okay. We want to find the value of B. So B is equal to, see, 1256 into 2, 1256 millimeter into 2 divided by 31.4. 31.4 means that we can write it as a 314 divided by 10. Clear? So that is in decimal. So we can write we can remove the decimal point and write in fraction. So 31.4 can be written as a 314 divided by 10. Clear? So this what will happen? See, if you write 1256 millimeter into 2 divided by 314, that inverse is 10 by 314. This will go to numerator. Is it correct? So 314 divided by 10 will become 10 by 314 inverse. So now you can simplify, divide this by any table. So we will see which table divides numerator and denominator. I think 2 divides, correct? So 2 ones are 2 and 1 remaining, so 11. So 2 5s are 10, so 1 remaining, 2 7s are. So answer is 157 in the denominator and numerator is 1256 into 10. So that answer is 1256 into 10 means extra 0 should write. So now 12560 divided by 157. So now you have to divide 12,560 by 157. Okay, we'll divide and see the answer. Okay, now 157 will divide directly because it is odd number. 157 any table divides. If it divides, you can divide both numerator and denominator, or else directly you can divide by long division method. Okay, 12560. So now 157, how much are 12,560? So we don't know the table 157, right? So just you have to multiply and check. Multiply by 6 or 7, any number, multiply and see. Why? Because 7 sevens are 49. See, 4 remaining, 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 4, 39, 3 remaining. So 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So 1999 is near to 1999. So if you want, you can take only 2 digits. 2 digits cannot, 3 digit also cannot. So you have to take 4 digits. Understood? So 157, how much? 1256 you can see. Okay. Now here if I multiply 157 into 7, I got answer 1099. So 157 into 8. Okay, we will multiply by 8. So 8 sevens are 56. 5 remaining. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 5, 45. So 4 remaining. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So 1256. So 157 8s are 1256. Okay. So now if you subtract, we get answer 0. This all will get 0 0 0, isn't it? 0. So now 1 0 is remaining, that you can take a. So now 157, how much the 0? 157 zeros are 0. So answer is 80. Understood? So what is the base value of the triangle? Base is 80 millimeter. So this is in millimeter. So you write 80 millimeter. That is the base of the triangle. Clear? So we don't know what is the base. So just now after using formula, we found the value of the base is 80 millimeter. Clear? Okay. The next last question. See, you can try this. Okay, one sum I will solve. Last one question. 170.5, not 1000, okay, 170.5 centimeters square, that is area of the triangle, and base is given 22 centimeter. Then we don't know what is the height of the triangle. Okay, so same formula you have to use. A is equal to half into base into height. So we are solving now last question, third one. Base is given, so substitute in place of B, write 22 centimeter, and height is not given, so height write h, write as it is. So we know the area of triangle. Area of triangle is a 170.5 centimeters square. 170.5 centimeters square, that is the area of the triangle. So now if I multiply, you can cross multiply, or else you can simplify directly. 2 ones are 2 11s are any. Okay, you can multiply this side, then you can divide, or else in this left right hand side only you can simplify. Why? Because 2 divides 22, isn't it? So 2 11s are 22. So what is remaining? 11 centimeter into height. Here 170.5 centimeters square. So now we want to find the value of h. So h will remain in the same place. Here h will remain in the same place. If you want, here only you can write say h will remain in the same place, and 170.5 centimeters square will remain in the same place. Along with the h, the number is here 11 centimeter. So this is multiplied to h, so we'll divide another side, 11 centimeter. So here centimeter and centimeter cancel. Centimeter square, that 1 centimeter will get a cancel. Clear? So what is remaining? 170.5 centimeter divided by 11. Okay? Now we can divide this by 11 table. 11 ones are, if you want you can do long division also. 11 how much are 170.5, or direct also can. Okay? 11 how much are 17? 11 ones are 11. So what is remaining? 6. So next 0 you have to take up. So 60, 11 will not divide 60. So 11 5s are 55. So here 5, and next decimal point is here. So take decimal point as it is, and next number is here 55. 11 how much is 55? 11 5s are 55. So the answer is 0. So therefore the height of the triangle is 15.5 centimeters. So this is height of the triangle. Sometimes they will give base and height. You have to find the area. Formula, same formula to find area of the triangle, to find base of the triangle, or to find height of the triangle. Clear?